Christmas treats like these cute candy-covered Oreos make for the perfect snack. They are fast, easy, and fun to make. You can whip up a few for guests or complement with a cup of hot cocoa. You need sprinkles, white and green candy melts, Oreos, and parchment paper. Melt the white candy melts and dip the bottom of the Oreo into it. Melt the green candy melts and use a medicine dropper or syringe to create a tree shape. I added a white star to the top and colorful sprinkles on the bottom. Place on a piece of parchment paper and put them in the freezer for a few minutes to allow the candy to harden. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.